everybody, this is Joanna from Guardline Security. Today I'm going to show you what you actually get when you purchase our Guardline outdoor motion sensors, how much they are, things that you'll need to know in terms of how to set them up and what's included, as well as some of the features that go along with these sets. Now, if you want to learn more and see what you're purchasing, stay tuned and we'd love to have you. So here in front of me, you can see that I have two. I have the quarter-mile system, which is green, and the 500-foot system, which is brown. You probably have seen these online. You know they're both priced differently. This one's $159.99, and this is $99.99. These systems are actually virtually the same. The only difference is that they run on different radio frequencies because they have different ranges. Now, when you see a quarter-mile versus 500-foot, you might be asking, what does that number mean? Well, that means the range between where you place your sensor and your receiver. Both of these systems actually have the same pickup distance of 40 feet, which means that it can pick up anything within 40 feet of where the sensor is placed, and both of them have a 9 to 12 degree width of an angle when the sensor is placed. Alrighty, so what we have here is your Guardline quarter-mile system. This is what you would receive if you got it in the mail. Let's open it up, shall we? So, I'm going to slip off this cover right here. And now when you open this box, it's pretty secure. It's kind of hard to open. But when you get inside, you'll see a couple things right on top. First, a little card to register your warranty. You'll see a quick start guide that shows you all the features of your Guardline and very quickly how to set it up. And you will also find our Guardline manual. Now, this manual will tell you everything you need to know about how to customize your Guardline, how to change its chimes, common troubleshooting problems that you might have, and also how to pair it up. But no worries, if you ever lose it, just give us a call. We'll gladly send you one, email you one, or you can always find it online. Now, inside here we have our sensor and our receiver. So if we open up our receiver, you'll see that our receiver is in this kind of cute, cozy styrofoam packaging. We'll open it up here. Your Guardline receiver looks a little bit like this. Yay! Look at that. It's very pretty. At least I think so. And that's upside down. So there you go. Now, if we open up the back, you notice that there's a little bit of a compartment here for batteries. These are backup batteries that you can use, say, if you want to take this into the bathroom, you hear who's coming up the driveway when you're showering, if you want to use it to go garden, you can take this receiver with you, put some batteries in it, and you'll still be alerted when people come up the driveway. Now, these batteries are not meant to be your primary source of batteries. We've tested that these receiver batteries usually last about maybe a couple days to a week. It depends on how much action your sensor is getting, which is also why your receiver comes with a standard AC power cord, and this is how you can run your receiver and make sure that it's always properly powered. You just plug this into the receiver right here. So that's your receiver. Now let's open up the sensor. You open up your sensor, you might notice it looks a little bit like this. So here is your Guardline quarter-mile sensor. It's in the same cute little styrofoam packaging. And this is what your sensor looks like. Now, if you see these 4 holes on the front, these 4 holes, when you unscrew them, there's small screws that come out, and that's how you change the batteries. It's also connected to a mounting plate. These 4 holes right here is how you would mount the sensor onto a post or a tree, or wherever you want your sensor to be facing. It also comes with a swivel here, so you can kind of move it up and down to the left and right to get that perfect angle for your property. Your sensor also comes with a screwdriver, some mounting screws, and a sunshade to kind of keep it weatherproof throughout all the seasons, and I'll show you what that looks like as well. And voila, there is your quarter-mile sensor. Now, some facts about your sensor. It takes 4 AA batteries. Those AA batteries will last you about a year. These sensors are what we call PIR infrared sensors, which means that the eye right here needs both heat and motion to send an alarm to the receiver. It's also totally customizable, which means that you can have up to 16 of sensors to 1 receiver, and you can pair as many receivers as you want to your sensors. However, I do like to remind folks that if you have the 500-foot system, that's the brown sensors, they are not compatible with this system. They run on different radio frequencies, so they won't be able to communicate with each other. Which also reminds me, because these sensors run on radio frequency, there is no Wi-Fi required, no internet. You can totally just set them up, pair them, and play. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to pair your sensor to your receiver. Alright, so I have some batteries in my sensor. I'm all ready to go to pair up my sensor to my receiver. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to put the mounting plate back on the sensor. If you want to know how to do that, you're just going to put the screws that you have right back into the 4 holes, and it comes right together like this. So I have my sensor, I have my receiver, and I'm ready to pair. So I have my receiver turned on. I'm going to press and hold learn mode for 3 seconds until the number 1 lights up. So number 1's lighting up. I'm going to choose my melody. And I like that one, so I'm going to wave my hand in front of the sensor, turn it back on, and let's see if it worked. So there you go, folks. That is our Guardline outdoor motion sensor system, how to set it up, what it looks like, what you're getting, and basically what you can expect from a Guardline system. I hope I gave you guys some information, made you feel excited about our product. I certainly am excited about this product. If you have any questions, if you want to see some more videos, more unboxings, if you'd like me to answer any of your questions, comment down below. Give us a phone call, email us. We love to hear from our customers, and we're happy to engage with you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay safe out there.